Would you believe it's almost a year I've been making YouTube videos about my hobby? Time flies or what? Yeah, so that's happening in a few weeks' time. I think another 3 weeks, and I will have done a video a week on a Saturday consistently for the past 52 weeks. So yeah, that's good. It's made me think about like what I want to do. Definitely going to carry on with the plan that I had for the channel, so that's great. But anyway, I'll talk about that in a different video. Hobby week this week. What's been going on? Well, obviously for me, it's been Kill Team. I checked out a local hobby shop. A local hobby shop. It's way too early to be doing these now. That I saw on somebody else's video down in Murfield. That was really cool. Enjoyed it there. Really nice guy. Managed to pick up some bits and pieces. That was great. So I need to strip those back. I've been working on, unsurprisingly, some Dark Angels for my new version of Kill Team, and obviously I've been learning to play Kill Team. That's been the majority of my hobby week this week. I've not done a great deal. There's been a lot of 3D printing happening as well. A couple of things that I wanted to get sorted out. A couple of parts that I wanted to make for an upcoming narrative game. Now that we can start doing that. Been working on a diorama, so I started painting this chap. That's going to be a banner standard. And other than that, I've not done a great deal, but I've still done a fair bit, so that's good. I'm still kind of trying to figure out what I can do going forwards in terms of making videos. That's going to be fun. I think there's going to be more gameplay stuff. There's only so many Dark Angels I can paint and so many tutorials I can do. And a lot more lore stuff, like way more lore stuff, so I'm working on that as well. Been doing quite a lot of art around my army and around what I want to do with the Kill Team. Some backdrops are really exciting. I like doing all that. So it's all hobby stuff. It's all feeding into it. Might not be directly miniature painting, but it's stuff that's accompanying that miniature painting. Is it hobby adjacent? I'm not sure it is hobby adjacent when it's to do with the actual one thing that I'm doing. Yeah, really looking forward to smashing out the gaming table on Saturday. Got some Blackstone Fortress coming up, so yeah, that's it. That's me for this week. If you've got any suggestions on what you'd like to see me make videos about, please do leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you like anything that I do on this channel. I want to keep everything in one place. I thought about setting up a different channel just for this stuff and then all of the other stuff, but nah, let's keep it all here. Screw the algorithm. Let's get it all done. If there's stuff that I'm not doing that you want to see me do, or you think I would be interested in doing, please do let me know. I'm always open to new hobby stuff. Yeah, that's it for this week. I'm just going to go. Cool. You have a good hobby week, and I'll see you on Saturday for a painful one. See ya.